Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It's Boof. And my camera lady, Lee. We're here today in the garage, about to play with this guy. This is an oxygen sensor for the 2013 Ford Focus. Evidently I need one of these. This is the upstream oxygen sensor. I'm not going to pay $250 for somebody to fix this for me. So I watched a YouTube video, bought a tool, went back to the store and bought the adapter for the tool, and now we're going to fix it. In total, we're at $99.16 for parts, oxygen sensor, socket, anti-seize lubricant. Let's do it. The oxygen sensor on this car is located at the back here. It's this blue cable that attaches here and also has a clip that attaches here. Towel. I take it your YouTube videos didn't tell you how to undo that part then, did they? Well, they did say it was sometimes difficult to get it to unlatch. However, they just said you keep fiddling with it till it comes off. I find this is an appropriate response to this type of dilemma. Keep fiddling with it till it comes off. Coffee. Pushing down on the tab with the flathead screwdriver and then pull it apart. Nice. Just like that. The socket with its notch allows us to slide this over the wire and then onto the plug at the bottom. Like that. Ratchet. Alright, so we're going to try this with an extension on the socket and see if that doesn't give us enough leverage to loosen it up. Looky there. Alright, so we've got this guy loosened. Let's take off the socket. And now we should be able to spin this. Voila. One bad oxygen sensor. Next, we take the new oxygen sensor. We're going to run a bead of anti-seize lubricant around these threads. Wipe the excess off on my shirt as any normal person would do. Insert the oxygen sensor. I'm going to hand tighten it to begin. More coffee. Going to attach the socket back on there. Reverse the direction on the socket and we should be able to tighten that right back up. All right. Once he's tightened and secure in there, you can remove the socket. We are done with this guy. And the next step is to reattach our clip connection. Again, it has the two prongs which attach into this bracket and snap together. Do we have more coffee? Oh yeah, I got this. All right, so here's our connection. So here we go. Take our connection, snap it together, just like that. And then this bracket here, these two prongs go into. So, go like this, and snap it in. And it's connected back, just like that. This clip. I also have a hose clip which connects on here and keeps the blue cable attached. One hose clip connected here, and following the blue line all the way down to there. That is one connected oxygen sensor. So I will say the hardest part was getting the leverage needed to actually loosen that oxygen sensor. But once that was done, it's a 10-15 minute job. And we now have a new oxygen sensor. And hopefully that check engine light resolves itself. Thank you guys for watching. It's been fun. I just saved us over $150 and used about 30 minutes of my Saturday morning. Catch us next time when who knows what we'll be into. Bye. The life of a mechanic's assistant.